bag for a minute. Yes, because the bag is doing me like totori. Hi family, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the family, become part of the tribe, because fabulous things happen here. Yes, and if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you for coming back. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to be doing like a what's in my bag video. So the bag I'm currently using is my tote bag, and I did the unboxing already. So if you haven't seen the unboxing, I will link it up right here so that you can go ahead and watch that video. So without wasting anyone's time, let me just get right into it. The first item I'm going to be pulling out, I'm not looking into the bag. Wow! It's my cell phone. And yeah, my cell phone, it's in my bag. This is my cell phone, and it's inside my handbag. The next item is, oh wow, it's my moisturizing butter. This was given to me by my photographer. Let me show you guys real quick. Right here. And this was given to me by my photographer. I've had this for like over 2 years, so she gave me 2, and I've been using this for a very long time. It smells so good. It's made out of cocoa. It's made out of cocoa. Yeah, so I'm reaching out for the next item, and it's my hairbrush. Like every lady needs a hairbrush in their handbag. So like I have this padded hairbrush. It's padded. I got this hairbrush. Always need a hairbrush because we ladies that wear weaves, we need to brush our hair all the freaking time. So yes, this is another item that is in my handbag right now. So the next item I'm going to be pulling out is my sunglasses. This is a very old sunglass, and they are Valentinos, but they are very old. This is like a runaround sunglasses for me. Like I carry this or put this in my car. The sunglass looks like this. Is the front of the glasses. I'm just gonna actually just try it on for you guys to see. Wow. So like I said, it's an old sunglasses. I really love it, and it's my runaround like everyday sunglasses that's in my car, but now it's in my tote bag. So the next item I'm going to be reaching out for is, I don't know, but I'm just gonna dip my hand inside, is my chewing gum. I need me some ice cubes in my bag. This is my gum in my handbag. I always need a gum in my handbag, you know, we always need that fresh breath all the time. So I have my gummy in the bag. The next item I'm going to be pulling out, what is this? Is my power bank. This is my power bank. It charges the phone very fast. I'm going to put the link to this in the description box because like ladies, you need this. So I'm going to be pulling out the next item from my bag. Alright, so I just picked up my hand sanitizer right here. I bought this from Wegmans, my local supermarket. I always carry this around, or I put it in my little purse or in my car. I have about 4 of this splattered around the area. You know, I have one in my car, I have one in my husband's car. The next item that I'm going to be pulling out from my handbag is it's a hand wipe right here. This comes in handy because like if I forget to put my hand sanitizer in my handbag, or I forget to get it from the car, I always have like a hand wipe to actually use to wipe my hand. Next item I'm going to be getting out is it's my wallet. This is my little wallet that so I got my cards, I have money, I have cards in here as well. The next item I'm going to be pulling out is, what is this? It's a fabric spray to spray on your clothes. Like, have you ever gone somewhere, like you go somewhere and when you get out of the place you smell like the place, like especially when you go eat food or you go order something to go like the place that you're cooking, and I just like spray it on on my clothes. It smells so good. That's it right there, and it's like a perfume scent, you know, so it smells really good on your fabric. And then the next item in this bag is my cosmetic bag. This is an old pouch from years ago, and it's also a Louis Vuitton, one of those seasonal pouches, but this is from years ago. And I'm not getting into the details of this. I do have my powder, my pressing powder in my handbag, because lately I've been seeing normally I won't carry pressing powder. I also have a brush for like under my eyes. I use this for under my eyes, like to pat under my eyes right here in case my makeup creases. A bigger brush as well to, like, you know, for my powder and to pat my face. So I have my lip gloss. Let's see, this is a Runway lip gloss by Patricia. It's just a clear lip gloss. It's nothing to it, just some random clear lip gloss. I also have lip gloss right here too. It's a Chanel lip gloss. I bought this lip gloss, like, I also have like a little hand cream here. I have this little hand cream. It smells good. Like, this is like the third time I bought this from the Chanel store. So inside the bag is actually empty. I do have another wipe, and this is this is when I go to the bathroom. I use this to wipe underneath. And then I have sample perfumes, you know, that I just carry around and just, like, you know, spray around my wrist and my arms and wherever. I just have sample perfumes. So right here I have Advil. I do carry Advil or Tylenol in all my handbags, like literally all these handbags right here. I do have Tylenol or Advil inside my handbag. So the next, I think the last item in this bag are my panty liners. Hello. I'm assuming I'm not the only one that wears full-size panties, because I don't be doing the thong, okay, because I don't feel comfortable. So yes, I do carry on my panty liners, and I wear regular pants, not thongs, you know. So yes, I have a panty liner in almost all my handbags as well. So this is all the items that's in my handbag. I hope you enjoyed this what's in my bag video. It's not a lot, it's not much inside the bag, but these are the items that are in this bag right now that I'm currently using. And I will leave the links for any of these items that you want to purchase down in the description box down below, so that you can go get your hands on any of these items. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching my video, and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gonna jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, yeah.